So hi everyone, welcome back to my new and interesting video. Yes guys, this video is gonna very important and also interesting video. Yes guys, this video I will say to you that how to make sentence quickly and fastly. Yes guys, this video is gonna very important video. Please try to understand and try to listen. If you cannot listen, if you cannot learn how to, if you cannot listen, so you cannot understand what I am saying. This video is gonna very important video. So every beginner, everyone, this video is very important. So guys, I don't waste time. Let's begin. We know that English language is very complicated language. As I say that how to learn this thing, that how to make sentence. Without sentence, we know that without sentence we cannot speak better. Yes guys, speak better is what, that if you cannot have sentence, how you can speak this English language or anything. As I say that how you can speak that, sentence is most important, that without sentence we cannot speak anything. So guys, this is very important thing. So now I tell you that how to make sentence quickly and fastly. This is gonna very important. Yes guys, so how we start first in to make sentence in everything. So guys, this is very important thing. Like think in your environment. Do you know what is the environment? Environment, I know what you I know that environment, we also can know that what is the environment. In our environment there are a lot of trees, lot of anything, lot of things have environment, like river, like tree, like anything in have in our environment. So in this environment you can use to make sentence, that as you say that how. Yes guys, this is very important to like speak this thing, to practice anything, and also can make sentence. This is first I say to you that practice, that environment will just help us to practice outdoor anything. Environment will help because environment is very silent, with silent thing. In environment, in we go to the a tree shade and we just try to practice something, when you just try to speak it. So environment also help us to make sentence, to make your concentration. Environment help, this is a very important. So how you can speak, how you can make sentence with environment. So guys, this is a thing that environment you can take, as I say that there are a lot of trees, lot of river, you can use to speak something about trees, about rivers, about birds, about thing, lot of things. As you can, what you are, what about you see in sky also can, you can use, you can also use the tree, try to describe it. What is the word about in trees have, what is the sky, what is the extra thing, you just try to speak it in English. That's how you can speak that. Do you know, first you can ask question for yourself, like what is this, what is the color of the tree's leaf, what is the color of the body trees bodies, and you can say, you can also say what is the color of the sky, and what is that, what is that, what is that, what is that. You can just try to like ask some question yourself. That say, that's first you just say, first you just ask question for yourself, so then you can learn better. As I say that it is very important. Like think that first you just imagine a tree. A tree has lot of branches, a tree's leaves color is green and also have some yellow, and the trees have lot of branches, the tree's body is brown. That's it. Small word you can use to make sentence. This is very important thing. First thing, that when we just born, in after 2 years we cannot speak properly. How we, in this time what we speak, like small thing also can, small thing, like come here in, I will say it in English, that you also can speak it like your mother tongue, like come here. Come here also can, we did not speak it properly, come here. So this is the thing, the small thing is very important to speak this language. It is most important. So this is the thing to like make sentence, that I will say to you that river also can, I will describe in river, that river is, we know what is the river, and rivers has a lot of fish, and we can also fish, we can also can fishing it, the fish, we can also can fishing this fish, we can eat, we eat this fish. You can also can try to speak lot of things, try to describe about river, about anything, anything. Yes guys, so this is the thing to make sentences. And also I can advise you that story is the most important to learn to make sentences. That you can notice that stories has lot of sentence, lot of word. In this word you can use to speak something. Yes guys, this is very important. In this word you can use to make something. You just use make the word. In this word will help you to speak English language easily. As I said, I also can practice this all of the thing, so then I will talk about in front of you. This is very important. And the next advice is practice. Practice is the most important thing to do anything, to do anything in English. Practice is the most important thing. Say it. If you cannot do practice, how you can speak this language? That English language is very complicated language. We know that in the easiest way to learn English speaking, that a conversation and your environment. Conversation is most important, as I said. How and converse, if you do conversation, so you will have you will just have it's have lot of benefit. Like as you say, what is the benefit? If you do conversation, so your hesitation also remove. If you do conversation, your afraid also remove. If you do conversation, you will learn English language. This is the thing to, this is the benefit to the conversation, to do conversation. We cannot know, we cannot know that how we can speak English. That everyone advise you that you can call a teacher and you can call this this teacher is teach you that very well. It is not. If you want to learn English language, so English language has some rule. If you can know the rule, you can learn English language. If you cannot know the rule, you cannot learn. This is the thing. English is a secret. English is a very complicated language. No one can tell it that English is very easy. Who tell English is very easy? He is a very fool man, as I said. So today's video is in. If you like this video, so also subscribe my channel, and if you're new in this channel, also like and also hit the bell icon for next video. So if you press the bell icon, my first video's notification will come in your YouTube. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.